Hi everyone and welcome back to my Morning Market Analysis videos on Thursday the 9th of March with me, Rich Pair Market Analyst. Heads-up markets, let's look at Euro-Dollar now, and for the ECB day, Euro is actually finding support. That comes despite the fact that the dollar is strengthening across the majors. Euro is actually outperforming and found a bit of a low near term. Today's low 523, that's above the 490 levels that we saw February and early March. But you'd still say rallies are a chance to sell, set across all these moving averages, which are basically just falling. You're trading below all those moving averages, momentum indicators bearishly configured. RSI not so much, but still I think that there is a bearish bias nonetheless across the momentum on a medium term basis that would suggest rallies are a chance to sell. Now, hourly chart has picked up from that initial support. 523 has been left, but look at here, you've got this pivot, the near-term pivot at 570, catching lows, highs, lows again, and again becoming a sort of basis of resistance yesterday. So 105.73 105.70 initial resistance. Above that 106 figure area, again a bit of a near-term pivot, 106 figure. So a couple of near-term levels to work with, but I mean the ECB is likely to be big volatile moves. Usually is during the press conference of Draghi. So basically you're sort of arguably trading in this range, 104.90 to 106.40, so 150 ticks or pips, and you'd be sort of pointing towards that as being your sort of near-term range to break really. If you break to the downside, 150 ticks gives you 103.40 bang on, which is the low, or above that 150 ticks above 106.40 gives you 107.90, which is not a million miles off these highs really, isn't it? So it's sort of a pivotal range really within this medium term trading phase that we've got going on here between sort of 103.40 to 108.50 area. So yeah, some interesting moves I think we could see out of this press conference. So if we see a close outside that range, maybe that's a momentum changing or outlook changing move, but I'm still negative generally on the technicals, but it'll be interesting to see if Draghi does make a hawkish shift, and if he is more hawkish than markets had been anticipating, then we could see a sharp rally. So it is an interesting one. In front of it, euro, as I said, mildly higher against the dollar, and the dollar is strong across the board, so that makes the euro a big star performer on the day so far. So Mario Draghi could change that, but it'll be interesting to see. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.